Use your flares! They hunt in the dark, they're sensitive to intense light!
All units, deploy flares! Light up your positions, now!
Bridge is our best bet for communication, but Dar wants the ship's research lab. It's 2 decks down, flood.
DARPA, the route to bridge is compromised. I'm reassessing.
The asset is in the sub-level lab. That is your primary objective. Do not deviate.
It's an Alpha! We can't fight it! This way!
Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to see how you can use Pippit Ai's Story Studio and Seedance 2.0 Mini to turn your scripts into cinematic stories, starting at just $0.02 per second. What if you could create a complete cinematic story from just a simple idea without a production team, without complicated editing, and all inside one workflow? So let's get started and search for Pippit Ai in Chrome and open the official website. From here you can sign in and access the platform. And if you'd like to try this tool, the official link is available in the description. After logging in, you'll land on the Pippit homepage. This is where you get access to all of the AI creation tools. On the left side, you'll find sections like Story Studio Assets and Smart Creation, while the center area shows the prompt workspace and featured projects below that you'll see quick access cards for AI Talking Photo Story Studio and Avatar Video, allowing you to start your creative workflow right away. And in the Featured Works section, you can explore community-created projects for inspiration and discover different storytelling styles. In this tutorial, we're specifically going to explore Story Studio, which is Pippit's AI-powered storytelling workspace. This is where you can create scripts, characters, scenes, and complete cinematic episodes. As soon as you open Story Studio, the first option you'll see is Upload Script. If you already have a screenplay story or dialogue script ready, you can directly upload or paste it here. Pippit automatically analyzes the script and has the capability to turn it into cinematic scenes. If you don't have a script ready, there's also an AI scriptwriter option. You simply describe your story idea genre, characters and setting, and Pippit automatically generates a complete script for you. You can also control the story duration and level of detail, making it easy to create both short films and immersive stories. But one of Pippit's most powerful features is its Canvas mode. This is the Pippit Canvas workspace. This is where you build your entire cinematic story. Inside the canvas, you'll find different asset blocks including roll scene, video, image, text, and audio. In the role section, you define your characters. With scene, you build the structure of your story. Video and image blocks let you generate AI visuals. Text is used for narration and dialogue, and audio allows you to include background music or voice elements. Basically, this is a visual storytelling workspace where you can design your entire film using modular blocks. For this tutorial, we're going to use the AI scriptwriter workflow because it's the easiest and most beginner-friendly way to create a complete cinematic story from a simple idea. After opening AI Scriptwriter, the first thing I do is enter my story idea here. The more detailed your prompt is, the better. The screenplay and cinematic scenes the AI can generate. After entering the prompt, we can customize the story settings. First, I select the style. There are many styles available, and I'm choosing Sequence Cinema because it generates movie-like cinematic visuals. After that, I select the 16:9 aspect ratio. And finally, you can choose how many episodes you want. I set the duration to a 5-minute episode. So the AI creates the complete story and screenplay based on that length. Everything is now ready. So let's click Generate and see how Pippit turns our simple idea into a complete cinematic story. As soon as we click Generate, Pippit first analyzes our idea and prepares a detailed script outline. You can see that with just a simple idea, Pippit has automatically generated a complete script summary. Here the AI shows the total number of episodes, the story theme, the target audience, and an overview of the entire storyline, allowing us to finalize the direction of the story. As you scroll down, the AI also automatically creates detailed character profiles. If everything looks good, we can click Continue and move to the next stage, which is Production Assets, where the AI prepares visual assets and scenes for our story. Now the AI has automatically divided the entire story into multiple episodes. In my case, the story has been generated into a total of 5 episodes. Each episode follows a complete story arc, making it very easy to create long-form cinematic content or a mini-series. You can review and edit any episode individually or generate the entire series all at once. If you want the complete story at once, you can select Generate 5 episodes. or if you prefer a step-by-step workflow, you can generate one episode at a time. I'm going to click Generate 5 episodes so the AI can automatically prepare production assets and visuals for all of the episodes. Now Pippit has prepared the detailed storyline for all 5 episodes. I'm quickly scrolling through each episode to review the story, flow, pacing, and character progression. At this stage, you can also edit and refine any episode. If everything looks good, we can move to the next step. Once the story review is complete, Pippit automatically enters the production asset stage where it starts generating characters, scenes, and visual elements. Now we're inside the production assets section. Here, the AI automatically prepares characters, scenes, props, and media assets for the story. In the Roles tab, all of the story characters are automatically generated. If you want to modify any character, you can also edit them manually. Next, in the Scenes section, the AI creates different locations and environments for the story, such as labs, decks, corridors, and lounges. On the right side, you'll find Select and Edit in Canvas options. With the Select option, you can upload your own custom assets or references. When I click Canvas, the complete visual workspace of Story Studio opens. Here, all of my generated assets, including characters, scenes, props, and media, are organized in one place. With the help of Canvas, I can easily review, arrange, and manage my story elements before moving to the final production stage. It provides a visual overview, making it very easy to see the entire story structure and assets in one place. If needed, I can also customize, organize, and refine my scenes and assets here, and continue the project with better control. Similarly, the Props and Media tabs allow you to manage additional objects and supporting assets, helping maintain visual consistency throughout the story. Now I'm back in the Production Assets section, and the first thing I'm going to do is generate my scene images. I select All, and within a few seconds you can see that separate images have been generated for every scene, allowing the entire visual world of the story to be prepared in advance. Now that my scene visuals are ready, I move to the Roles section. Here, Story Studio automatically identifies all of the important characters in my script. I simply click Select All to choose every character at once, and then click Generate. And within a few seconds, Pippit Ai has generated complete visual looks for all of my story characters. The Ai automatically creates unique appearances for every role. Now both my scenes and characters are ready, and I can move to the next step, which is episode generation. Now that my characters and scenes are ready, Story Studio automatically organizes them into different episodes. Here, each episode title, character, and scene is already structured. Now I'm clicking Generate Shooting Script for the first episode. In this step, Pippit Ai automatically analyzes my story outline, characters, and scenes, and creates a detailed production-ready shooting script. Now our shooting script for episode 1 is ready. Here you can see that the AI has automatically organized the characters, scenes, and clips. I'm going to click Edit so I can review each scene, customize prompts, and check everything before generating the final video. As soon as I open the episode editor, Pippit automatically prepares the first clip. On the left side, my characters' locations, media, and props are neatly organized, so I don't need to manually search for assets. At the top, you can also see the Generation Model option. Right now I'm using Seedance 2.0 mini-fast, which is optimized for faster generation. If you want higher quality output, you can choose Seedance 2.0. And if you want lightweight cinematic scenes generated in a cost-efficient way, Seedance 2.0 mini is also available. In the center, the AI has generated a complete scene description and camera direction for this clip. If I want, I can edit the prompt, replace characters, or customize the scene right here. At the bottom, you'll see the storyboard timeline where all of the clips for the episode are arranged in sequence. I can click on any clip to review and fine-tune it individually. And on the right side is the Generated Clip Preview section. From here, I can generate the clip, instantly view the result. Our first AI-generated clip is ready. Pippit has automatically combined the script, characters, and scene assets to create a cinematic video shot. Now I can preview the clip and check whether the character consistency, camera movement, and overall scene match my story. Honestly, the result looks very impressive. Character consistency, cinematic composition, and overall visual quality have been maintained extremely well. The camera angles and scene transitions also match the mood of the story beautifully. And in the same way, we'll generate all of the remaining clips. All of the clips for episode 1 have now been successfully generated. I can quickly preview every shot and make sure that the characters' scenes and camera directions perfectly match my story. Now that all of my individual clips have been successfully generated, I'm going to click Render Full Episode. This feature automatically combines all of the generated clips in their original sequence and creates a complete cinematic episode. I don't need to manually arrange or merge any clips. Pippit renders the entire episode with scenes, transitions, and story flow. And from here you can check the final video output. You can also directly download the video from here. Now let's take a look at the final result.
They have your favorite. Thought we could watch the stars?
There's no signal out here. I can't even text Mom.
No, it can't be.
Inside! Get to the higher decks! The hull is breached!
Honestly, the result looks very impressive. Character consistency, cinematic composition, and overall visual quality have been maintained extremely well. The camera angles and scene transitions also match the mood of the story beautifully. And I can repeat the same process for the remaining episodes. And just like that, we've transformed a simple story idea into complete cinematic episodes, from script writing and character creation to scene generation and final rendering, all inside one workflow. If you also want to turn your ideas into cinematic stories, definitely give Pippit Story Studio and Seedance 2.0 Mini a try. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.